Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI to create print-on-demand designs. So I'm inside the app, Leonardo AI app. Make sure you sign up and log in, and make sure you have tokens to use. So over here in the image creation or on the left side, click image creation. Then over here you need to type a prompt. I'm gonna write cute cat in space with vibrant colors. Now make sure you choose the settings, the model, which one you want or need, style, medium. Make sure it's on high quality, but it's gonna cost you more tokens. Make sure you pick the size you need. I'm gonna pick mobile. Then how many images? I'm gonna pick 2 and let generate. As you can see, it's gonna cost 52 tokens. And here you go, look how amazing it looks. Now the next step, you click over here, upscale, and then you upscale the image for high resolution. I'm not gonna do that. I do not want to spend the tokens. And then upload to print-on-demand sites like Redbubble, Printify, or any POD sites. Upload your design, choose the products like shorts or mugs, and publish. And you're done.